To fix a router that's not sending out a Wi-Fi signal, start by rebooting it. This is done by unplugging the router's power cable, waiting a few seconds, and plugging it back in. After rebooting, wait for the router to restart and then check the Wi-Fi connection. Next, inspect all the cable connections to ensure there are no loose, damaged, or unplugged cables. If damaged cables are found, replace them with new ones and tighten any loose connections. Once this is done, restart the router and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, a factory reset may be necessary. To do this, press the reset button for a few seconds until the LED light flashes, and then set up the router again. By following these steps, fixing a router that's not sending a Wi-Fi signal can be a straightforward process.